Hey, I wanted to take you with me for a quick trip around Dollar Tree to see if they had anything new in for this week. All right, of course, they have the solar lights. If you haven't seen before, they do have spring themed ones, so you might want to grab those if you see those. They still have a ton of Easter and spring stuff, from candy to the Easter eggs to the Easter signage, all of the stuff, just a ton of it. Like literally, this is like what, the last week in March, and they still have all of this stuff out, at least at my Dollar Tree, and you can see the boxes there. They are still unpacking stuff for Easter, and they're marked Easter. So you can still get a ton of signage. A lot of this can be used for spring. I think these are so cute, the little gnomes. So that one has the little egg in his hand, and then this one has the little carrot. These would be so cute, like in the yard, or to pop them off the stick and do like a little DIY. These little signs, these could be good for spring too. Like anything that doesn't say Easter would be great to carry out for the rest of the spring, because bunnies and different things like that are great for spring. Just a ton of things, from baskets to the little ears, like I said, the eggs. So you can still get ready for Easter at your Dollar Tree. You don't have to worry. They have garden items. I've shown some of these before too. These, if you can find, they have ones that say ahoy, so that's like more nautical. But they do have those, the gardening tools, the things for your garden, these little hose knobs. Of course, they all come in the coordinating colors, so you can match those with your tools. They have the little stackable planters, and if you haven't seen, they have them this year in the mini version too. This little hanging planter, I saw the solar lights there. I was trying to figure out what somebody trying to do a DIY and see how they could put those together. I don't know, but maybe you can do something fun with that. I'm not 100% sure. These things for the kiddos. So if you are big on beach vacations, different things, outdoor activities with the kids, you might want to grab some of these items now. They have all the things from swim masks to the water sport things, just a bunch of different stuff for outdoors and different activities, beaches. I think this is like a leftover from fall, maybe because it's like leaves, but that was the first time that I have seen that. And then they had these cute little signs. This, I think the wording fell off, because you see that has a little metal plate. So I'm thinking the wording fell off of those. Of course, these are one of my favorites from the crafting section. So they have the long ones, and then they have the ones shaped like little houses that I think are so cute. And they come in those two colors. So they have those with a ton of other craft items, but I like those a lot. Of course, the spring baskets, we've seen these before, but I just wanted to show you what they still have left. These I think are great. So they came in all these different colors. So that mint, that blue, that gray, that pink. So these would be great for storage. These right here, they have a bunch of different ones. They have these brighter ones, which can take you into summer. So you're looking for something brighter. Even the laundry baskets, the bright colors for the summer, and then the trash cans. So these would be cute if you change up. These, not so much spring, but if you're doing like parties and stuff and you need the stuff, do not forget that Dollar Tree has all the stuff. They have the serving tongs, they have scoopers, they have the little cake cutters, they have the spoon sets. So you could just do a whole party, and that clear and that black and that silver is just something that would go with a lot of different things. So even from like, the champagne glasses, just a whole bunch of stuff you can get at Dollar Tree to do a cute little party. You can make up a little candy station, just all, like I said, and it's nice and simple, so it can go with a lot of different themes, whatever you're going for. These will make cute little serving bowls because of the little angle. They have them in the colors too. And then they have this one's like a little party, and they have more to this set too. So if you can find it, you might want to grab those. This bowl filler right here was just real green. So that gave me like a spring kind of, vibe. These, of course, are a favorite, and they come in different colors. You can see they still packing up. These bowls, I keep seeing new ones. So first, all I kept seeing was the ones that said Easter, Easter, Easter. Then I saw a carrot, and then now I'm seeing the bunny ones. So I think those are really cute. These I think would be great for organizing, and they come in these pretty colors. So they have all of those different colors there. And if you put like a magnet on these or something like that, you can put these up on like a magnetic board or something. I thought that might be interesting and a way to save space. These, if you haven't seen these before, these are like the phone holders. You can put these on your desk or something and just prop up your phone. They come and go with the costume jewelry at my Dollar Tree. So I've been seeing these a lot. They come, they go. They have the little matching hair clips to go with those. So if you're looking for some costume jewelry, you might want to check out your Dollar Tree and see if they have these. They're stocking back up on these. I think they're so cute because they look like the little pink bunnies, and they have those in pink, blue, and purple. This was the last one and it was ripped. So it's like a nautical print. I thought that was so cool. So, for the little cubes, they always come in with different colors and different ones. But these two kind of gave me a nautical, but they were both the last of them and they were looking a little rough. They had a bunch of those, but not those two. And also Dollar Tree is starting to come out with more name brands that I, use and am familiar with. So my daughter loves those drinks, little cereals with the resealable bag. These would be great for travel, like road trips and different things like that. So you might want to grab those. I'm not sure if I've seen these before, but it has like a little vented lid, and they come out with a bunch of different things. These I thought were so cute because I'm like a Disney, a Star Wars type fan, and I just thought these were so cute. And these would be even cute to take on, like, a little trip to Disney or something. And then they had the plates in the nautical theme. So if you can find the bins, you can do a whole nautical thing. Of course, they still have the other ones, the mint ones, the blue, this new little charger plate right here with like that metal look. They still have all of those, but I thought the nautical ones were real cute. These, of course, we love these, and they have little gray dustpans. Everything goes together, so you can have all your little pieces where you interchange them. Those are great for cleaning, so if you want to grab some of those, because usually I only see it in like the blues, but I like the gray. Storage, organization. So if you're doing your pantry, your kitchen, your refrigerator, different things like that, you can grab those all the time. So they have those. I haven't seen an ashtray since I was a little kid. I saw ashtray. I'm like, did they always have ashtrays? I don't know. These, I had a hard time finding them for the longest time. So sometimes you have to be patient at your Dollar Tree because those been out for a while and I'm just starting to see those. These little butter dishes right here, these with the little grip. So the wooden ones I had, but I didn't see them before with the little grip. Cutlery stuff. Summertime is coming. You might want a place to put your corn for the barbecues. Cute little cups for the kiddos and stuff like that. These, if you can find the snack ones like this, so great for travel. And then that's the other printing bowls. And these great little finds. So they have these right here. I'm thinking they're wipe holders because they were in the kids section, which is a great section to shop for your babies. They came in those different prints. So I'm assuming you put the little wipes in there and then you can just have a travel size one. And of course, for the season, flip flops. You're always going to find a ton of those, and they have them in all sizes right now. So you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and pick up some of these new finds for this week.